Sunny team, welcome to your third workout of our SMART workout series. Today, we are gonna talk about attainable goals. We are gonna need some light weights if you have them, so if you can grab those now, a water and towel. All right team, let's get started. Hey Sunny team, it's your trainer Eloisa. Today, we are on the third workout of our SMART goals series. Today, we're gonna talk about attainable goals. Team, before we get started, make sure those shoes are double knotted, you're clear around that mini stepper, and you have some small weights nearby because we're gonna be using them. You can also have heavy weights, that is totally cool. All right team, let's get started. We're gonna start by pushing out anything that doesn't serve us, other people's opinion, what happened at work. We are just gonna let go of that so then we can have a great 15-minute workout and talk about attainable goals as we use the mini stepper. So push everything out and double inhale through the nose. We're gonna blow it all out. Let's do this together, we're gonna do it 3 times. Double inhale through that nose. Let go of traffic. Inhale joy and calmness. Let go of other people's opinion. Inhale presence. We are gonna take our hands behind our head and we are gonna do some good mornings. Feet a little more than hip width apart, light bend in the knees, and you send those hips back. And then we pull it up through our glutes. You squeeze at the top. It's similar to an RDL. Send it back. Keep that light bend in your knees, but we are not bending down like a squat. We are just warming up. This is helping our hamstrings right now, which we are gonna use while we step. We will go over those attainable goals after we warm up. What we are gonna do today is we are gonna quick step for a minute. Then we are gonna stay stationary and use the weights. Quick step again, do another weight combination. Do that a few times. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. Heels out, heels in, toes out a little bit wider. We are gonna do sumo squats all the way down. Breathe into your body. Push through those legs all the way up. I don't know why I like to hold my hands right here like this. You can hold your hands in front of you wherever you feel like it. I'm not sure why they always go like that. Breathe into your body, sit it down. Push through the glutes all the way. Beautiful. Again, we're just warming up. Sit it all the way down. Hands go towards your quads and look up to the side. Inhale, exhale, open up that back, open up your heart. Breathe into your heart. Other side, all the way up, push through, and push through those legs. Yay, shake it off. We are gonna tap on our mini stepper. This is just, again, we're warming up. You can walk it right here. This is beautiful. Or if you wanna start getting that heart rate up, we can tap, 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 tap. Go, you got this. Keep going. I missed it, see? Sometimes I make mistakes too, and that's totally fine. 2 and 1. Let's step onto our mini stepper. We are gonna start with a steady step. Slow. Again, we are still warming up. Then we are gonna go into that quick step, about 15 seconds. So breathe into your body. Think about that SMART goal we set at the beginning of this series. If you didn't do our first 2 classes, please check them out now. 3, 2, 1. We are going into that quick step. Let's go. So today, we are talking about attainable SMART. The A is for attainable goals. I'm not gonna lie, this is the hardest one for me to comprehend because I believe people with limited beliefs create limited people, and you are limitless. So I think anything's attainable. But what it means on this one, what is attainable right now? Once we cross one finish line, there's gonna be another finish line that we can cross later. For example, some people can dive 400 feet underwater. Now, I like to swim. No way I could dive right now 400 feet underwater. We have to take the small steps. Those small, and some of them, sometimes they can be quick. See, these are small, quick steps. We need to take those small steps to make it attainable, because each small step then leads and builds it up. Yes, team? For 3, 2, and 1, grab those weights. You can stay off the stepper or on it. And we are gonna do jab, cross. These are just punches in front of you. Breathe into your body, these weights. Now, with our attainable goals, if we are fighting battles of our past, our goals will not be attainable. We can't fight those battles of our past and make our goals attainable. I can guarantee you'll never win a battle from your past. But if you fight right now in this present moment with your goals and you make them attainable and specific and measurable, you will be able to fight for your future. And that is your goal. We can't go back in time. All of our brains sometimes want to go back and try and fight those battles and say, I should have said this, I should have said that. You know what? It's done. So let's fight those battles in our present moment right now. Breathe. Let's go for 3, 2, and 1. Now you have an opportunity. You can put those weights down, or we can do those quick step with the weights in our hand. You should take this opportunity, because if your fitness goal is to work out more, it's to get stronger, whatever your fitness goal is, let's take this opportunity to make our next goal even more attainable. Keep that going. You got this. My mom used to say, how do you eat an elephant? This helped me with this attainable goal. It's one bite at a time, one step at a time. So you can have an overall goal, like diving 400 feet, but each goal along the way, you make it specific, measurable, and you make it attainable with that time frame. You make it something you can do right now so that you don't get discouraged. We don't want to get discouraged with our goals because then that stops us from doing them. We want them to be attainable, so then we reach that finish line and then we stack on it. We're here for 3, 2, 1, balance. Now, a lot of times we fight for our goals, we fight for ourselves, but we always have to love ourselves. Heart all the way down. I promise this is a real move. It's around the world. Make a heart, breathe into our body. We have got to love our goal. One of the things that helps us with our goal is it's something from our heart. It's something that we want to do. We are going to fight for it no matter what, but we are also going to spread love with it. Whatever that goal is, whether you're talking about your fitness goal right now, or a goal in life, a goal with a job, a goal with a relationship, a goal to move to a different city. And you know what? I would love for you to comment in the comment section what your goal is and how it's attainable right now in this present moment. How can you do the goal that's attainable? I would love that, and how you love this goal. Why is this your goal? If it's fitness, it's because you love your body. Yes, yes? We are going back to that quick step. Let's go. Here we go, quick step. Again, you have that option to put those weights down, but I want you to take this opportunity to get stronger. Opportunities, when opportunities come, they help with our goals. This opportunity to get stronger, hold those weights for me and speed it up. Light bend in those knees. Let's go. I know you can do this. It's 1 minute of your life. Hey, go, speed it up. Feel that heart rate getting up. Breathe into your body. What is your goal? What is your goal, and how can you change it? Again, if my goal is at 400 feet, my goal cannot be that right now. Maybe start with 20 feet underwater, holding your breath. No scuba suit, by the way. Forgot to say that part. You hold your breath. Maybe it's learning breath work where I can hold my breath for 2 minutes. That is attainable. 400 feet, how long that takes, not currently attainable, then I move on. That's what happens. And we are slowing it down for 3, 2, and 1. Quick water break. Dry off if you need to. Put those weights down if you need to. Here is to you and your goals. So the reason I had problems with this one, because I don't believe in limitations, because I just believe anybody can do what they set their heart to. And there's a quote from Peter Pan that I love. And it's, the moment you doubt you can fly, you cease to be able to ever do that again. So I do not want you to doubt your big goal. If you don't think it's attainable right now, I want you to set smaller goals. Do not doubt that overall goal. I'm not doubting that one day I'll be able to dive 400 feet. On that note, we are stepping back on that stepper. So on that comment section, also if you want to say your overall goal, what is even a bigger goal that you're making it smart and you're breaking it down? I would love that. But we're starting with that quick step. Let's go. Again, weights can be down. You are here for a minute. You can speed it up a little bit. Let's go. Light bend in the knees. Now, we want to work those glutes a little bit more, get even a little bit stronger. Take it down and keep that going. And those quads, and breathe. Always breathe. Again, breath work. That's what I'm gonna have to do to make it attainable, mine. Remember, you are limitless, you are powerful. Just because it's not attainable in this time frame, it is attainable overall. But what can you attain right now? What specific thing can you measure and you can attain it within a reasonable timeline? Set those small goals, because small wins, you have those small wins, they help you, they encourage you, they help you with those big wins. If we set goals way too big and then we don't get them, human nature tends to give up. I don't want you to give up. Now, you can keep those punches stationary, or we can move opposite leg, opposite arm, and do a steady step as we do them. Or you can keep them right here and go faster, or just right here. You have an option right now. Take your option. With your goals, it's a choose your own adventure. Choose your goals. Choose what you want to attain. I know my goals. What are yours? What is something you want to do in this next month? What is something you want to do in this next year? Write it down and get very specific. Very specific. Find a way to measure it in some kind of metrics. Doesn't matter how, and find that it's attainable within a reasonable time frame. You know what? If you've never run before, you're not gonna run a marathon within a month. That's not gonna happen. So set a goal that's a little bit more attainable. Back to that quick step. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You got this. We are fighting. When we were punching that time, you were fighting for your goals. Fight for your goals. Fight for what you want. While we are fighting for what we want though, we can't let other people's opinion get in our way. Their timeline is not our timeline. We can't measure our goals by somebody else's ruler. They can't tell us what's attainable. And a way that it helps us, because I'm on this fighting kick right now, is we have to have the guts not to fight back. When somebody tries to say that's not possible, you're never gonna do that, you have to have the guts not to fight back. You can tell them, yes, I can, but there's no reason to try and convince somebody of your worth, because you are worth it. You are worth those goals. You are worth making it happen. Yes, yes, for 3, 2, 1, and hold it out. Around the world, because you love yourself. And on that beautiful time to love our body, I want you to say something you love about your body. I know, we're working on goals. One goal I like to have is say something nice about my body. Every day, it is specific. I measure it if I do it or not. It is attainable. I can say something every day nice about my body. Something that my body does for me with zero judgment. Zero judgment. We love our body. We do not fight our body. We love our goals. We love ourselves. We got this. Breathe in, drop those shoulders. I know you can do this. All the way around. And one more. And just so we can push it, we are gonna do one more quick step. I want you all out. This is your all out. This is when that goal is right there and you're like, hey, I can get it. I can attain this part of it. I can do this one step. I can have a small win. That small win will lead to a bigger win. I can do it. I can move forward. I can push those legs. Let's go. Yes, you can. And if you swing those arms back and forth, we are using those weights, or you can put them down. Hey, your option, your choice. Breathe into your body. Here we go. Lean forward lightly. Some of those notes I forgot, but we gave them in the first 2 workouts. Again, what's attainable for you? What's attainable right now? Right now, in this moment, what can you do within a month? And also, what can you do within a year? Write those down for me. I want to hear. I love hearing people's goals because everybody's goal is different. 3, 2, and 1. Sit it all the way down, left leg down, right leg up, slight bend. We're gonna go down one more time. Breathe, inhale, exhale. And make your way off that mini stepper. Weights, goodbye. We're going back into that good morning. Heels in, toes, send it back. Slow it down here. Sometimes we have to really slow down to find out if our goals are attainable. We did the quick step on this, but sometimes it's that slow down that tells us what's wrong. We live in an over-caffeinated world where everybody is in a rush. It is by slowing down that we can tell whether we can do this goal or not. Last one. Squat it all the way down, heels in, toes out. Hey, I said it right this time. All the way down like we did in the beginning. Open up those hip flexors. Inhale, exhale. Love your body. Hands go down towards that mat. Glutes go up towards that sky. Breathe. If you need to, light bend in those knees. Walk them in together. Drop that head. Roll up one vertebra at a time. Inhale, exhale. And we're gonna shake it all out. Shake, 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 shake. We're gonna remember, we are limitless. We do not have limited beliefs because we are not limited people. We are limitless. We can fly. We believe it. Inhale. I'm gonna set one small step today. I'm gonna have a small win. And then I'm gonna do my bigger one. Inhale, small wins. Exhale the need to prove my small wins to anybody. Inhale, I'm gonna fight for my goals. Exhale, I'm not gonna let judgment get in the way. Inhale, I'm not gonna fight the battles of my past because I'm gonna fight the battles of my present so I can fight for my future. And exhale. Thank you so much, Sunny team, for joining me for this third workout in our S.M.A.R.T series. I cannot wait to see you for our fourth workout where we're gonna go over R. All right, team, see you next time. If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to join me on the Sunny Fit app. We have amazing premium programs, challenges, amazing community, and many more workouts. What I teach is running and rowing a lot of the times. If you haven't downloaded the Sunny Fit app yet, click the link in our bio. Amazing trainers, amazing people. You're gonna learn so much, and hey, it's free. Why not do it?